am en route to a special place to celebrate a special day. But more on that in a little bit. Hint, hint. Hey y'all, RoamTownGirl here, coming to you from Jefferson, Ohio. I am staying at a Thousand Trails park called Kinnessee Lake, and the reason I'm here is because I am now exploring the whole East Coast. I got myself all the way over here, and I am en route to a special place for a special day. I've been living and traveling in my RV for 6.5, almost 7 years now, which means I have celebrated more than a few birthdays while being on the road. And since my next birthday is just around the corner, I thought this is a great opportunity to take you for a little trip with me down memory lane so I can show you some of the awesome ways I have celebrated my birthday since I've been out on the road and give you some ideas. So if you find yourself out here, not necessarily around family or friends or even places you know, here's some things you can do. For my first birthday on the road, I found myself in Spokane, Washington. I didn't know a soul. And up until then, I had spent many of my past birthdays up in Big Bear, and I always took myself out to a fancy high tea, you know, with the scones and the butter and the little finger sandwiches and such. So I thought, I'll go do that. But why do it alone if I didn't have to? So I did belong to a whole bunch of Facebook groups, and I just put it out there. I said, I'm in town. This is what I want to do. Who would like to come and join me? And would you know, I got a response and I made a new friend. So this is what I did on my first birthday on the road. For my second birthday on the road, I found myself camping in one of my most favorite places, which is Eagle Nest State Park in New Mexico. I swear, camping there is like you're camping in the middle of a painting. It's just gorgeous. And it just so happened that one of my RV friends that I had made along the way, well, she wasn't too far away. So this is what I did that year. I just had my birthday and a friend came and camped with me for a couple days, and she was so sweet. She bought me these pretty little flowers, so I thought they'd be a nice little prop to have on the table. For my third birthday, I found myself in the middle of those COVID lockdowns. So I was in Show Low, Arizona. I was in an RV park, and I thought, what can I do? Well, I came up with a good idea for that birthday too. Okay, first and very most important step, you must do something to designate that it's your birthday. Like crazy antennas, funny hat, a pin, carry a balloon around. Anyway, you gotta let the world know. I know one year I never even left the RV park and I wore my little antenna. Some people smiled and waved. Some people wished me happy birthday and other people avoided me like the plague. But those people are no fun. But this year, I rented a car. We got some wheels. I'm gonna go around and explore some and take you with me. Let's go have some breakfast. I'm hungry. Okay, next stop on the birthday train would normally have been something like a massage, but we know that's not happening. So I went for the next best thing, a pedicure. I went all out. I'm going expensive. Lavender, salt scrub, hot rocks. I know you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, but for the ladies out there, you know what I'm talking about. Hey, guess who's eating again? Any excuse, and I'm back in a restaurant. So you know I'm gonna track this in my day planner and pray to God that I make it 14 days without getting as much as a sore throat or a fever, so fingers crossed. Ooh, well, we did a lot today. I hope you enjoyed spending my birthday with me. I loved having you come along for the ride. On my next birthday, it happened to fall on a travel day. So never fear, I came up with a really great idea for that year too. So today's my birthday, and it just so happened that it's a travel day. And on top of that, between point A and point B today happens to be 3 really interesting sites. So I don't know if I have the stamina and the wherewithal to go to all 3 of them, but I'm gonna attempt it. This is gonna be interesting. I understand there's 2 or 3 different plateaus, and each one is accessed by going up a ladder. So on this 58th birthday of mine, let's see if the old gray mare can get up those ladders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rungs, no big deal. My anxiety is starting to kick up between this trail and being away from the RV and anticipating that second ladder starting to kick in. Don't mind me. I'm just huffing and puffing here. Oh, you don't have to take the ladder? Good. I put some of the healing dirt on my chest for my lungs. And even though I'm not Catholic, I swear I'm breathing easier. And now for stop number 3. And I can't think of a better way than to end my birthday tour with a walk on a labyrinth that I found. Yes! Let's see what year 58 has in store for RoamTownGirl. By the time of my 5th birthday on the road, I was now a member of Harvest Host. So I took a look up in the area where I was to see what hosts were available, and I came up with a once-in-a-lifetime memorable making experience. It was one of the best birthdays yet. I have a total fascination with pioneers, and anything I can learn about them, I've just always been fascinated, and I always knew I would be the worst pioneer. I would complain about everything. They probably would have pushed me off the wagon after like 5 minutes. I'd be like, I'm uncomfortable, I'm hungry, I'm tired, we're probably gonna get killed by Indians. So you would not believe I actually found an experience where I get to be in a real covered wagon and pretend I'm a pioneer, and even have a real pioneer meal.
Hang on to me.
Okay. I told you they were gonna kick me off the wagon. This is a total once-in-a-lifetime memory I'm making. The second part of this is we get to have a pioneer cookout. So I'm excited for that. For my birthday last year, I was en route to Idaho. And although I actually have a childhood girlfriend that lives in Idaho, she wasn't going to be around. But never fear, I still came up with a great way to spend my birthday. Happy birthday to me, I'm turning 60. This place is just so green and lovely and shaded. All the showers, the bathrooms, the laundry, the office, and the entrance. And this is where we stayed. My spot was spot 82, and it was wonderfully close to the dog park, the pool, and the laundry. Oh, she put me right. Okay. Lovely. Thanks. So if you've made it this far in my video, first of all, thank you. And now I'm gonna tell you what I'm up to for this birthday. It's gonna be epic. I'm actually pretty much taking a little bit from all the previous birthdays I have. I'm gonna be with a good friend. I'm gonna be doing some adventure stuff. I'm gonna be doing some once-in-a-lifetime stuff. I'm gonna be indulging and splurging, and it's all gonna take place in, wait for it, Niagara Falls! I am so excited, and I can't wait to share it all with you. Well, thanks for joining me on this little road trip down memory lane, and I hope that your takeaway from this video is that no matter where you roam, if you find yourself away from home, away from family and friends, in a new and unknown place, that you still go out of your way to make your day special, because you deserve it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video, anything you can do to help tickle the algorithm. I sure would appreciate it. See you next time after Niagara Falls.